When we launch the Balabolka software, we only get access to 2 voices made by Microsoft, but there are over 100 of voices provided in the software. Let's see how we will access that. So first thing is to click online TTS serve shown. Next thing to do is to type the text, turn to speech in the text area. Below the workspace, hit browse to select the destination you would want your file to be created and the file name you prefer. For me, I will be selecting my desktop. Time to choose the voice we want. Obviously you can see different language, so I will just select random voice. Then hit.
How do I get this new voices?
Subscribing if this video was helpful.